Good morning to all. Today we will see about 6th English Prose 1 Sea Turtles. Before enter the topic, we will clear about difference between tortoise and turtle. Turtle occur in sea, tortoise occur in land. Turtle are huge, tortoise are small. Compared to tortoise, sea turtles are big in size. Sea turtles have no teeth, have a beak. Turtles feed on crabs, jellyfish, sea grasses, seaweeds and algae, etc. Now let's start the lesson. Section 1. Most of us have seen a tortoise in a zoo or a reptile park. However, not many would have seen its marine relative. Marine means nothing but found in the sea. The sea turtle. This is not surprising since this reptile spent almost their entire life in the sea. There are 7 species of marine or sea turtle in the world. Species means nothing but group of animal with common features. Of them, 5 are found in India's coastal waters. The olive ridley, the hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead and the leatherback. Compared to most tortoises, sea turtles are huge. Even the smallest species, the olive ridley, weight up to 35 kg when fully grown. The largest of them all, the leatherback, grows to a length of 2.2 meter and each would weigh as much as 700 kg. Sea turtles live there entirely in the ocean, but they still have a connections with land. They must come ashore to lay eggs. Today, 4 of the sea turtle species mentioned above have become extremely rare in India. The olive ridleys, however, are still commonly seen nesting on sandy beaches all along our coast. Coast means nothing but land by the edge of a sea. In section 1, tell about 7 species of sea turtle present in the world, 5 found in India. First one, olive ridley. Second one, hawksbill. Third one, green sea turtle. Fourth one, loggerhead. Fifth one, leatherback. Sixth one, Kames ridley. Seventh one, flatback. Kames ridley and flatback is not found in India. Spend most of life at sea. The smallest one, olive ridley, weight up to 35 kg when fully grown. The largest one, leatherback, weight up to 700 kg. They must come ashore to lay eggs on land. Section 2. Between the month of January and March, female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay their eggs. This is quite a problem for them, as the turtle's front flippers enable it to swim gracefully and effortlessly, but are not very useful for moving on land. The turtle has to haul itself laboriously onto the beach. Then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. Here it scoops out of a nest cavity 45 cm deep, into which it lay about 100 eggs. Each egg is in the shape and size of a table tennis ball. Once all the eggs are laid, the turtle fills the cavity, then it camouflages the nest by tossing sand on it using its flippers. That done, it returns to the sea. The eggs are left to incubate under the warmth of the sun. Flippers means nothing but flat limbs used for swimming. Haul means pull with force, laboriously, with great effect. Cavity, a hollow space. Camouflage, hid. Incubate, hatch eggs using warmth. In many places around the world, local people follow the track of the turtle to nets. They collect the egg for eating. Jackal, domestic dogs and pig too dig up and eat the eggs by following the scent left by the turtle. Those eggs that escape such people and predator hatch 45 to 60 days later. The hatchling slash open the leathery eggshell with the help of tiny egg tooth. This is like a razor blade at the tip of the hatchling snout. When most of the eggs have hatched, the hatchling push themselves upward through the sand and emerge on the surface of the beach. From here, they make a hurried dash to the sea. Predator means nothing but animal that kill other animal for food. Slash means cut. Snout means pointed nose of an animal. Emerge. Emerge means come out. In section 2, tell about the month of January and March. Female olive redless come ashore at night to lay their eggs. But it has some little problem because sea turtles have flippers. Flippers used to swim in a sea only but not good in land. And then it choose a spot well, the nest cavity 45 cm deep, it lay more than 100 eggs. The egg size and shape like the table tennis ball. The turtle hits the egg under the sand. Once it lay the egg, return to the sea. The eggs are incubated under the warmth of the sun. But some problems in hatchling because local people follow the track of the turtle to its nest. They collect the egg for eating, and also jackal, domestic animal, and pig to dig up and eat the eggs by following the scent left by the turtle. After 45 to 60 days later, the eggs are hatchling with the help of egg tooth that is called razor blade. Section 3. Many of these tiny hatchling with weight less than 20 grams each will not even reach the sea. They will fall prey to crops or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those that do make it into the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within the first few days of their lives. In fact, scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchling becomes an adult. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchling survive to keep the species going that sea turtles lay so many eggs. Survive means nothing but continue to live. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchling that have become adult. Adult means mature and return to the same beach where they were born. They come there to lay their own eggs. How they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea in one of the many mysteries of these fantastic reptiles. Sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures we share this planet with. Mysteries. Mysteries mean nothing but difficult to understand. And fantastic means attracting greatly. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years. But sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in a grave danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of motorboats. Problems like pollutions, dumping to plastic into the oceans and construction activities on nesting beaches also hunt their survival. Only systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the year to come. In section 3, tell about tiny hatchling. That means baby turtles weight less than 20 grams, so will not even reach the sea because turtles are eaten by crops, birds and predator also. So the first few days of their lives, they have survived natural danger for millions of years. Hunted by people, pollution, dumping plastic, eaten by crops and birds, jackals, domestic dogs and pigs to dig up and eat the eggs. This is the problem for surviving turtles. Author Shekhar Dattatri. Shekhar Dattatri writes popular articles on wildlife, conversations and filmmaking. He has been interested in nature from childhood. He is an award-winning wildlife and conversation filmmaker. And other information, he has worked with Discovery Channel, National Geographic and the BBC Natural History Unit. Thankfully, for every bully in the world, there are humans who rescue and save turtles. There are heroes who protect turtles from bullies so turtles can live free. Who would you rather be? A turtle bully? A turtle hero? Thank you.